हे हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज ए बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सोलगम। और आज हमारे साथ होने वाली है बहुत ही टैलेंटेड, बहुत ही प्यारी सी पावली दाम। पावली, द फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट यार। सबसे पहले तो आप कैसी है ये बताइए, क्या चल रहा है वहां पे? तो काफी तूफान आया हुआ है, तो कैसी हालत है, क्या है सब?
Uh, yeah, first the like Corona and then Amphan has led to a complete massive destruction of everywhere all around Bengal, and there are people many places still under waterlogged condition, and they don't have electricity, no power, no water supply, no food. So we are still under it's restoration and the we are still under that state of like where everything is being revised and yeah, in a revival state actually we are still. But thanks to and salute to those everybody who are working in the as a frontline workers, like during this times of like distress times, disturbing times, and they are working day in and day out to like revive Bengal actually. And that's the thing, but
Yeah.
I'm hopeful like things will be back in its shape very soon. Yeah.
सो कितना एक्साइटेड है आप विद काली का सीजन 2? सीजन 1 में तो जो थ्रिलर था बहुत पसंद आया था सबको, एक ट्विस्ट जो था एंड वेरी हाई एंड थ्रिलिंग नोट पे उसे एंड किया था। तो इस सीजन में क्या हो रहा है, क्या एक्साइटमेंट है, और सीजन 1 के बारे में क्या रिएक्शंस आए थे?
Season 2, yeah, tomorrow is the launch, and trust like tomorrow is Friday too. So this Friday has come after 3 months in my life. Like, of course, like from March, we've been all around world. Everybody is in their home, in their house, in a lockdown situation. So that way, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I was saying is, yeah, I'm excited and nervous at the same time, like to just because season one people really loved and appreciated and it clicked.
Hmm.
So the pressure becomes much more, because this is my first project in a web platform, and it's my first web series, and it's my first franchisee that way,
Correct.
So that way, the season two, I hope the we enjoyed actually. I enjoyed working on season two. It has become much bigger in scale and canvas, and a lot of characters have been introduced. It's a bilingual project. Essentially, it is in Hindi this time. So it will reach, I think, season one. Of course, it had reached to so many people across the globe, and I'm hoping the same for season two. People to love it, and I'm just waiting for their feedback now.
बट अगेन आपने शुरुआत की थी टीवी से, और उसके बाद फिल्में की और आज वेब सीरीज में, तो कैसा लग रहा है व्हेन यू लुक बैक? तो जर्नी कैसी लगती है?
Uh, See, I never had this dream of goal of becoming an actor. First of all,
हम्म.
it happened for me. So it's like a fairy tale kind of a journey, definitely. So because if you have a dream or a goal and then you can't achieve it, it makes you feel sad that way. But for me, everything I would say a bonus. So as as it happened, and I'm thankful to all my audiences, my fans and viewers, like who have made this journey a memorable one. And yeah, that's why I always I'm really hoping this Kali too, people are really entertained, especially in this disturbing times,
Disturbing times,
when
yeah.
we are all at home. And yeah, so the thing is that what I was saying, about season about this journey, right? so
Right.
so uh, thanks to my audience and everything, they have made it so memorable so far. And yeah, like working on your first web, it was exciting, and I've been watching web for the last few years a lot actually, and एक एक certain image हो जाता है ना दिमाग में कि ऐसा कोई काम है तो what kind of work I want to do on it, right?
Correct.
So when Porum told me, we were shooting, Porum Brotho Chattopadhyay, he was also the producer of the project,
Yeah.
Kali. So we were shooting for a film when he just gave me a hint of the idea about the entire story and everything. I instantly could relate to the character somehow because Kali is such a it's an extraordinary journey of a very ordinary woman. So you see this kind of women like
At the right time.
it's right time for actors, for directors, technicians, like a lot of different things like that, which I was telling, like all realistic, wonderful storyline, thoda non-linear formats, all these things are happening, with showcasing, like the reality of life, but in a beautiful narrative way. And those films are working, So, so for the actors' point of view, you have a lot of scope to explore, in different genres, in different kind of characters, and there is वो typical mindset जो था ना, like hero heroine has to be certain kind.
Yeah.
Those barriers, those taboos, I think we are done with now. It's not about just the star or the thing. It's all about so a good cinema, it's a cumulative effort. It's a
True.
teamwork where it's a script, the story, the screenplay, the direction, the cinematography, and of course the performances, which makes the character so real and so lovable that way, and it stays in your mind that way. So I think it's a great space time for the actors, and especially like with the OTTs coming,
Yeah.
so you get to like experiment with a lot of things, a lot of different kind of contents are happening, and very interesting, each and everything, like be it a rom-com, be it a crime thriller, or be it a romantic story, or be it a horror space. Everybody is trying to do different,
Correct.
something nice about, yeah.
But again, different. आप तो पहले से ऐसी फिल्में different ही कर रहे. You always try to break that image also. I remember when you did Hate Story 1, in Hindi cinema में यहाँ पे लोग shocked हो गए थे when you did. And क्या picture थी? Trust me, it's not just you are there, but out of all the series, that was the best part. And वो actually एक जो we used to watch this English movies where entire revenge based action films होती थी and thrillers होते थे, वो इंडिया में पहली बार एक properly बनाया गया था without any this thing. It was like proper film, negative character तो negative, gray है तो gray है. There was nothing white about it. And you did that film.
So that is.
And then you broke that. I'm sure उसके
Thank
बाद
you so
आपको
much.
बहुत सारी
Thank you.
offers आए होंगे.
Thank you so much. Yeah, a lot of people have told me that the part one was the best out of the lot. See, what I'll tell you something. Yeah, as you said, like I try looking for interesting new scripts. Something that would excite me as an actor to venture into a new zone, which I haven't explored before. Otherwise, I'm a bit lazy and मैं बहुत आसानी से बोर हो जाती हूँ. So if I get bored with my cinema, then I can't expect my audience to get interested
Correct.
about it, na. So first of all, I like exploring those things, and yeah, Hate Story, that was the reason I went for it, because it's not just about genre or the character, it's the way you are approaching a subject, yeah, like the way how that was a kind of
Your voice.
so in that was the honesty about, I think, about that cinema. And somehow it, like what happens, like it is uncomfortable, it creates a lot of discomfort to characters, sorry, yeah, it like it creates some kind of discomfort. I was telling, like to accept a character which doesn't fit into the structured social norms.
Hmm.
But there comes the role of an actor, like you just I mean, to create a character like that, like which will stay in audience's mind, which will leave an impact on audience. It's not just heart and soul. You're lending your body, you're lending your energy, and everything in the conscious and the subconscious level. That what will give life to the character. That what makes that character alive, and that how it stays. And that I this is something which I have always tried doing with all my characters. And the selections which you were saying, I always try to uh, venture into different kind of stuffs here,
But
not
this
the.
was, very bold and badass type of character, very badass and very bold character. And as I said, that there's a thin line between vulgarity and sensuousness. You had that sensuousness also. It never crossed that wrong line. जो मुझे Hate Story 2 में 3 में नहीं मिली. There was more of a skin show. यहाँ पे skin show was there, but it went with the character. It was required.
Yeah,
That revenge. It was very much that story के साथ essential. So काफी tough हुआ रहेगा आपके लिए to get get that thing right. क्योंकि थोड़ा
yeah,
मिस्टेक
that
होता है.
was. Yeah, but that was a challenge, and I enjoyed every bit of it. Thoda sa before that, before Hate Story, um I started watching a lot of films all around the globe, which
Okay.
kind of, again, it gives a kind of एक picture बन रही थी मेरे अंदर और दिमाग में या मेरे जहन पे. If I'm not that great in Hindi though,
That's
but
good. Good
like
usage of words.
huh, sorry.
I said that's good usage of the
Yeah.
words. Perfect words.
Oh, okay, thank you. So वो एक image हो रहा था कि picture बन रहा था कि if I am attempting something which has already been explored internationally so many times in so many different ways, it has to be something unique in its own way. So I think Hate Story, somewhere we were capable of doing it, and that's why it still stands out, and that's why you are still talking about the character.
So आपके काफी फैंस ने, जब हम यहाँ पे आज लाइव करने वाले थे, जो मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन ये पूछा गया यही है कि विल वी सी यू इन नेक्स्ट हेट स्टोरी?
No.
No. Why?
No. See, I'll tell you something. Again, I was telling you, like, I get bored very easily with things unless it is too exciting and something absolutely out of something which I didn't expect probably to come to my platter, but for this particular genre and this particular film, I had given my everything that was capable in my ability. So if I couldn't do better in the other franchisees, then I would have done injustice to my audience, and I don't want to do that. So I know if I can't do justice to a role, I won't do that. And it was a deliberate move. It was not like it didn't happen. It was a deliberate move that after Hate Story, I wanted to do Ankur Arora murder case.
Yeah,
I went.
fabulous.
Thank you. So I wanted to play that part, the part of a lawyer, which I never played before. So that is the thing, I wanted to explore in other films. So for whoever is asking me about Hate Story, no, not Hate Story, but you may find me in some love stories. Why not?
Yeah, that's great. But ये बहुत होता है हमारे यहाँ हिंदी फिल्म में, एक इमेज बन जाती है तो उसे स्टीरियोटाइप करने की कोशिश करते हैं लोगों। तो आई एम श्योर आपको हेट स्टोरी के बाद बहुत सारे इस तरह के रोल्स या बोल्ड रोल्स उसके लिए ऑफर आए होंगे। इवन वेब सीरीज जब शुरू हुआ था तभी इट हैड मोर ऑफ क्राइम बेस्ड एंड अगेन स्किन शो आउट देयर, तो उस वक्त भी आपको काफी ऑफर्स आए होंगे।
Yeah, I was getting similar kind of roles. That is true. But that's why I didn't want to do those, and I wanted to do something which will be that's the Ankur Arora murder case and not any other film which is similar to Hate Story. But this idea or definition of boldness is also very different from
True.
person to person. Like Kali, I would say, it's a extremely bold character.
True.
And I'm not saying that skin show is easy. It is not. For an actor, it is very difficult to shed away with your taboos which the society holds. It
Correct.
is difficult. It's shedding away your clothes. You're shedding away your entire aura, and you're entering into a character which has a different personality, different aura. To make that character alive, that's exactly I was telling. It's not just the heart and soul. You provide your body, you provide everything to the character, right? So, yes, it is not easy to shed off your clothes, but it is also not boldness is not just about that. Boldness is how you carry whatever you carry. Like Kavya, the way she operated in Hate Story and how Kali operates in Kali is very different.
Yeah.
They are both bold in their own way.
Okay. कैसा लगता है आपको जब लोग स्मिता पाटिल ऑफ बंगाली सिनेमा कहते हैं?
It's a huge kind of it's kind of crowning somebody as well as with a lot of pressure in the head. That huge. Yeah, so it's a monstrous pressure kind of something, but she is my idol that way, and I have always looked up to her films, her work. And I remember like watching her films as a kid, but hardly I used to understand them. Like Mirch Masala, I couldn't even when I was I couldn't even understand what it was until and unless when I started watching films as a teenager, and started watching films all over world. Also, the Indian cinema is there when I tried and started understanding the essence of these films. And that what made me feel like when I since I didn't have any planning of becoming an actor, planning of this, which I was telling you, like so once I started watching these films, then I realized that probably cinema could have been the best thing that happened to me. It has made me understand so many different kind of lives people live, and so many things were unknown to me, unexplored. So yeah, that's she is my one of my definitely favorites, and thank you for that. Thank you. But I don't think I think I have to still go a long way.
Of course you have to, and you have to do more Hindi films. We are waiting to see you in Hindi films.
I think इतना आवाज कम क्यों आ रहा है? I don't know.
Yeah, voice is little less, I guess. But as I said, of course, आपको बहुत काम करना है, and especially Hindi फिल्मों में. We are waiting to see you in Hindi films.
I can't hear you clearly. I think there's some problem with the sound. One sec.
अच्छा.
वहाँ से sound कम हो गया क्या आपके वहाँ से?
नहीं, it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Same thing ना? अच्छा, okay. Let me hear then. Tell me.
Okay, as I said, of course आपको बहुत काम करना है, because हिंदी सिनेमा में we want to see you. हिंदी फिल्मों में और बहुत काम देखना है. Coming to your fans, कुछ पूछ रहे हैं कि बिग बॉस में क्या हम आपको कभी देख सकते हैं?
Big Boss?
Yes.
No, I don't think I am absolutely fit to that, No. I don't think so. Yes, I did get they had asked me several times, but I like watching it as an audience, not being a participant.
तो इस साल देखा था आपने?
Sorry?
इस साल का बिग बॉस देखा था आपने?
नहीं, इस साल का नहीं देखा था.
Okay, this was at
पिछले
the
साल का देखा था.
this at the maximum fights and everything.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you so
Thank you.
because of this internet problem, there has been a lot of issues, but still,
Yes, we did
hopefully
manage to do this.
we have managed to do it. And yeah, and I hope audience watch it. And
Yes,
just a small kind of a wish, like I just wanted to tell them, like we are all going through such difficult time now, and with so much of uncertainty with in everyday's life, we don't know when we are going to go back to that normal state of our life. Though we are all waiting for that very morning where we would
yeah,
wake up and everything will be back this the way it was. So meanwhile, just hold on to your patience, uh, be positive and help each other, like help the people who are in actual need. uh, be supportive towards them, because this lockdown has just one thing which I have taken from this lockdown, one take from this
hmm,
lockdown is that eventually, after all, we are humans, so humanity is something which it should come automatically. And it has also pointed out to the fundamentals of life, like probably we were so much running after the accessories of life that we
correct.
forgot the basic love, care, share, which is coming back to us once again. So just be positive, and it's a small from Team Kali. It's a tiny and a humble gesture uh, for you all guys, like who are there in at your place right now, in a lockdown situation with so much of dull and boredom in your life. I hope you guys get entertained through Kali, and the small thing that we could do for you guys. I hope you guys like and enjoy it.
Wow. Thank you again. Thank you so much, and take care.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.